Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to read some rhyming words. So let us begin. Boy, toy, cap, map, cot, pot, pin, tin, cut, nut, net, pet, car, jar, can, tan, mug, jug, hen, ten, cow, now, pig, big, say, way, mat, cat, bake, cake, ball, call, moon, soon, hill, bill, sing, king, name, same, duck, luck, book, look, fell, tell, park, dark, boat, coat, kick, sick, cock, lock, seed, need, nose, rose, and the last one is night, right. So friends, today we read some rhyming words. Now read these rhyming words again and write in your notebook neatly. Thank you.